R&R German Group is welcoming you. Here you can see the first building of our new Marumbi Village Project. It is the bungalow with around 84 square meters. This room will be the living room. At the back you can see the kitchen area. The walls are already prepared for the electricity. This will be the TV wall. On this side, we have the main entrance from the parking lot. You get into the kitchen area and the living area. This is a storage and laundry room for the washing machine and dryer. At this wall will be the fuse box. Here is the hallway. We now go into the guest bedroom. From all rooms you can get into the garden. We have large sliding doors everywhere. We will install a built-in closet up to the ceiling. Basically we have ceiling heights of almost 3 meters, very high. For a very nice and comfortable room climate. This is the guest bathroom. On the right side will be the sink with the mirror. 2 sockets and a switch for the light on the mirror. Then comes the toilet and a large beautiful walk-in shower with a glass pane. This is the master bedroom. From here you can also go into the garden and to the pool area. The bed can be placed between these sockets. Here too there is a built-in cupboard up to the ceiling. The main bathroom with a double sink and above it a large mirror. 2 sockets on each side. Here the switch for the light on the mirror. The switch for the main light for the bathroom is in front of the door. In the middle is the toilet and here too we have a large walk-in shower for plenty of space. We will also install a glass pane here. And last but not least I will show you the roof terrace. This staircase here will of course be professionally executed later. It is only here for the construction site now. This is the roof terrace with around 84 square meters. There is plenty of space here for a dining table, a gazebo, for barbecue and much more. We have a fantastic sea view of the Indian Ocean. The beach is around 60 meters from here. We have direct beach access. The beach is very clean and untouched, it almost feels like a private beach. Finally, the view of your future 25-meter pool. Here you can swim your laps every day. We hope you enjoyed the little tour. For more information please look at our homepage. If you have any questions please do not hesitate to contact us. You find us under our homepage address rrgermangroup.com.